In this video lesson, let us understand regarding the conversion of cyclohexene to hexane 1,2 dioic acid. Hexane 1,6 dioic acid is popularly called adipic acid. That is its common name. Adipic acid is the common name of hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Now let us write the structure of cyclohexene first. It is cyclohexane and cyclohexene. Between the first and the second carbon atom we see the presence of double bond. Now this is our starting material. This has to be converted into hexane 1,6 dioic acid. That means we need to bring about the change not only in the structure here, we need to employ the mechanism where the ring opening reaction takes place, not just simply the breaking of this double bond inside the ring. So what is the name of the structure? As I already told you, it is cyclohexene. So already carbon is there, hydrogen is there in the structure. What else we need? We need the presence of the O and then H. So in order to supply that, we need to have the usage of the carbon is there, oxygen, hydrogen is there. Only we require oxygen, and that can be done by an oxidizing agent. So the oxidizing agent to be used should be a stronger one in this case. So let us say we are taking acidified potassium permanganate. Alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium permanganate are all good oxidizing agent. Here we just want only the release of nascent oxygen. We also need to bring about the process of ring opening. So therefore we also need to we also need to heat. So now what happens? The 6 carbon ring which was intact now will undergo breaking. So what is that we are having here? So this end will be 1 COOH. This end will also be 1 COOH. So it results in the structure like this. This ring has got opened, this double bond has got broken down. In that place what has happened? 2 oxygen along with this carbon and hydrogen. 2 oxygen with this carbon and hydrogen has come and got added up. So therefore we make use of 4 nascent oxygen. If I were to write like this in a linear fashion, how the structure will be? This will be first carbon atom, second, third, fourth carbon atom, fifth carbon atom, and then the 6th carbon atom. So if you were to number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What would be the name of this compound now? The same structure, I have written it in the linear fashion. So now it's going to be hexane. Hex because 6 carbon atom, and because they are all saturated carbon atoms. Then what do we see? First and the 6th carbon atom is having the OIC acid because there are 2 of them die, and then between the first and the 6th carbon atom it is present. So we should call it as 1,6 dioic acid. Hexane 1,6 dioic acid, which is commonly called adipic acid. So how to convert cyclohexene, that is an unsaturated cyclic compound, into a saturated aliphatic compound? By subjecting it to the process of oxidation, by making use of strong oxidizing agent along with heating, we will be able to obtain hexane 1,6 dioic acid from cyclohexene. So these were some of the few important conversions based on the concept of the general methods of obtaining carboxylic acid from the chapter of carboxylic acid. So if you have learnt the general methods of obtaining carboxylic acid in a deeper sense, or you have a deeper knowledge about it, all these 6 conversions that we did now will all be very simple and easy to you. Practice many number of times so that the concept becomes very easy for you. Thank you for watching all of the videos. Subscribe for doing more videos. Thank you.